Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action and yesterday's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. So again, by no means is that a multiple weeks worth of time. It's just the past 2 days. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out, the overall levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this yesterday, where the nice bounce happened, and this morning, things were not looking so good. And when I say this morning, that is being denoted by that candle right there, because that represents the opening 30 minutes on the day. And the price was actually at one point, way down here on the chart. So to give some credit where credit's due, compared to where it was at its low point during that first 30 minutes, sure, today the price, didn't explode upwards and put in any new highs, but it did recover nicely from those lows and still managed to close up above some pretty important levels on the chart. And that, first, quote-unquote important level, at least in my opinion, is that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period, and you know that when the price is up above it, yeah, you definitely do want to see the price stay up above it. And that's what happened, today. The price fell below it. Like I said, the bulls got above it, and the bears did try to press down below it once again right there. But like I said, to give credit where credit's due, the bulls were able to still hold above that purple line. So that's a good sign of strength right there. I mean, the bulls still have plenty of work to do, but, much better to be up above that purple line than down below it. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, definitely that ideal level of support going forward is maintaining up above the 45-cent mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level is going to be this downtrending trend line right there. This is just all being, formed via looking at, the kind of history of the highs. And yeah, a couple of days ago, the price actually got up that high, and then this morning only got up that high. So because these highs were lower, that is what's creating the ability to draw this downtrending trend line. So keep an eye on that. If the price can break through that, orange line right there, that's kind of step one in regards to levels of resistance. The next key level to focus on would then be up around the 50-cent mark, which comes from that high right there. So all in all, yeah, not the most exciting day. However, very nice job on the bulls' part to recover from that rough first 30 minutes. And we'll see if the bulls are setting up for some sort of, trend line break or not. Still a couple of days left this week, so let's continue to see how this one plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.